You ever throw time, money, or hope into something and watch it get strangled? There's an old story about a farmer. He went out to sow seeds. Some of those seeds fell among thorn bushes. The thorns grew faster, much faster, and they choked the good plants. Nothing useful came from it. Total waste of seeds, time, and hope. In plain English, stop putting your effort where it's guaranteed to get killed by problems. Nowhere is this worse than the make money online space. Most of it is a thorn patch. You've seen the ads, passive income while you sleep, easy drop shipping, crypto millions, YouTube automation, set it and forget it. But let me show you the actual thorns underneath those promises. Thorn number 1, platform rule changes. You build a channel for 2 years, then suddenly the rules change and you're demonetized overnight. No warning, no appeal. Thorn 2, ad cost. You try to sell something, but you're bidding against thousands of others. Pretty soon you're spending $2 to make one. Thorn 3, copycats. You launch your product within 24 hours. Someone has stolen your sales page, your images, your words, and they're selling it for half the price. Thorn 4, algorithm updates. You wake up one morning, your views drop 90%. Nothing you did, the algorithm just changed. Refund rates. Disappointed buyers because you promised them easy money and life got in the way. So they ask for their money back, and the payment system usually gives it to them. Here's what sowing seed among thorns actually feels like. You're constantly fighting fires. You're checking 5 different dashboards. You're chasing support tickets. You're watching tutorials on how to beat the latest update. You're not building anything, you're just reacting. And the thorns always win, because here's the hard truth. When you build on rented land, social media platforms, third-party marketplaces, any app you don't control, you don't own your audience, you don't own your income. You're just a guest, and guests get shown the door whenever the host feels like it. So how do you stop sowing among thorns? Let's list 3 things that actually work. They're boring, they're slow, but they're thorn-free. Own your soil. Build an email list. Build a simple website. It doesn't matter if it's ugly. It doesn't matter if it's just text. What matters is that you control it. No algorithm can shut you down. No rule change can take it away. An email list is a patch of land that nobody can poison. But what if you could find a company that would do that for you? Wouldn't that be the answer to your thorn problem? Looking around the internet, have you been looking for a company like that, but you haven't been able to find it? How would that affect your income possibility if there were a company that could deliver that? Sell a boring solution to a real problem, not make $10,000 overnight. That's a thorn magnet. Instead, what if that company that you haven't found could do that for you? Boring problems have fewer thorns because hype merchants ignore them. Avoid hype partners. Anyone who promises easy leverage or passive income with no work, they're not selling seeds, they're selling thorns. They make money whether you succeed or fail. You're the product, not the partner. Let's give a real world example without naming names, because the pattern matters more than the brand. A few years ago, the make money online space was full of people selling dream, chasing courses, sketchy affiliate systems, and get rich quick blueprints. It was a thorn farm. Everyone was fighting refunds, compliance issues, platform bans, and burned out customers. But one company did something different. They sold a simple, boring tool. Email software for creators. No riches promised, no flashy funnels, just a tool that said, if you build a real audience and send valuable emails, you can make a living. But it didn't teach you how to operate the tool. What if this company that you haven't been able to find, when you do find it, and it could teach you how to use the tool? Wouldn't that be great? That's it. Here's how it would beat all the thorn choke competitors. Most of those competitors spend 80% of their energy just keeping the lights on, fighting chargebacks, updating their ads every 3 days, replacing customers who quit because the promises were broken. But the boring email tool, they just help people send one more email. Their customers stuck around for years. They built soil that no algorithm could touch. Slow, boring
Thorn-free growth beat the get-rich-quick crowd, it always does. So here's my bottom line for you. If you see constant firefighting, platform dependency, or hype-driven promises, walk away, that's a thorn patch. Find hard soil, the company that you are looking for, that you haven't found, but it is imminent. That is where your actual vision about making an income will be enhanced. Don't plant your apple.